This is by far the easiest setup I've ever done of a robotic lawnmower, and that's because it does not use boundary wire. It uses a camera and GPS to navigate where it mows. So being that it does not use boundary wire, it makes it super easy. However, it also introduces a new kind of issue. So for example, this is the front of my house. As you guys can see, my yard ends right here, but there is no clear boundary, so there is no way for the mower to know exactly where to end. So what I have done is put some piping on the ground and to kind of mark a boundary. What I want to see is, will it go over this or will it stop there? And then also with the front of my yard, I want to see, will it cross this little pathway or will it end at this boundary? It is still, I mean, today is a warm day, but for the most part it's been cold, so the grass is still growing a little bit and it's not fully green yet. But yeah, so let's start it and see how it behaves. So let me see. I hope you guys can see it. So let's see how it behaves. This is gonna be my first time using it, period. So what I'm gonna do is after it's done this part or whatever it does, I'm gonna take it to the back where it should have much easier time mowing, because the back of my house has clear boundary lines. And I also hope this is not too much grass for it. Man, this thing is so easy. Anybody can literally do it. So let's see what happens when it reaches the end of that boundary over there. So it stops. I'm not really concerned with anybody stealing it. My neighborhood is pretty safe. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it do its thing while I do some work on my computer. So it looks like it does respect the boundaries that I have placed here, and it also goes all the way and notices the boundary over there and does not cross over. Another thing I've noticed with the mower is when you first start it up, it does a specific pattern, and afterwards it does a randomized pattern. I'm guessing it does the randomized pattern so it can hit every spot that it misses. Sometimes it doesn't fully get it, but other times it does get it. So for the backyard, it had a much easier time with the backyard because I have a lot of boundaries in my backyard, so that wasn't much of an issue. And once again, I placed the charger on the side, so it was easily able to go back to charging when it got done. So if you have clear visible boundaries, I think this lawnmower is the right one for you. It does a pretty good job as long as it can see a boundary. It will do everything and it will charge itself when the battery is low. You can also do spiral, or you can do randomized mowing. You can schedule it to start whatever day you want. You can adjust the cutting height of the blades. That way, if you want it lower or higher, it can do that as well. Full disclosure, this mower was provided to me for free in exchange for a review by Yardcare. However, everything I said in this video is 100% my opinion. If you want one, there's going to be a link in the description.